Hi, my name is Lisa Counts, owner of the Chopping Block, and today I'm going to teach you how to make candied spiced nuts. First, we're going to need a cup of nuts. Here I have an assortment of hazelnuts, pecans, and cashews. Any mixture of nuts can work. We're going to put this into a pot of boiling water and boil for 1 minute. We need to let these nuts boil for 1 minute in order for them to soften up and be able to absorb all of our honey and spice mixture. After 1 minute, we're going to then strain the nuts. I am just going to pour my nuts through a sieve. You can pour the nuts into your sink as well. Once your nuts are strained, we're going to pop them right back into a bowl. We're going to coat with some honey. The heat from the boiled nuts is going to make it easier for you to coat with the honey and not get any clumps. In addition to honey, we're going to add some sugar, some salt, some cayenne pepper, and some cinnamon. This recipe is very versatile and you can use any kind of spices you'd like. You can go as simple as just salt and pepper, or you can add different kind of spices. Once this is all coated and seasoned, we're going to put this on our sheet tray. I am using a Silcat today, a silicone baking mat. This ensures that my nuts won't stick as they bake in the oven. We're going to spread this out into a nice flat layer. And then this will go into the oven at 350 degrees for roughly 20 minutes. I like to stir them halfway through. Our candied spiced nuts just came out of the oven, and you can see that they are nicely toasted and golden brown. The honey has turned into a wonderful caramel coating, and you can see how nice and shiny our pecans look. These will last in an airtight bag for roughly a week on your countertop. So you can always make big batches of these nuts and serve them year round. And that is how you make candied spiced nuts.